Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change an EA account in FC Mobile. All right, so first up, as you can see here, I'm currently in game. I'm going to go ahead over to the gear icon right here. Under link accounts, tap on this link icon. As you can see, my EA account and Google Play Games account is connected to this FC Mobile. Now, if you're planning to change your EA account right here, well, unfortunately, it is not possible. But if you wish to change or switch an EA account so that you can play with your other EA account, well, that's possible. Okay, so to do that, before you exit out of the game, make sure that your account is linked, okay? Let's say this one is linked to your Google Play Games or Game Center if you're using iOS, Facebook, or Line. Because when you go ahead and log out to this game right here, all your progress won't be linked to either of these accounts. Okay, so you'll have to link it so that it will be saved online, all right? Or your progress will be saved online. So once that's saved to another EA or Play Games, Game Center, Facebook, Line, well, you're good to go. You can go ahead and follow the simple process right here. Okay, so first up, go and find FC Mobile. Tap and hold on it if you have it on Android. Tap on the information icon. And then go ahead and find storage, and then in here, first up, tap on clear cache, and then clear data. Click on delete right here. And then once done, go ahead over to your Play Store, and for iOS, you need to go ahead and go to your iCloud and change your iCloud account or App Store account, okay? So I'm just gonna go ahead over to Play Store right here, tap on my account. And this time I'm going to switch. Let's say I'm going to switch to this specific account. All right. Another process for Android users. Go over to settings right here. Find Google or Google Services. Tap on it. Switch your account from here. Once that's done, go back, go to Apps, and find Google Play Services. Right here. So tap on it. Now tap on force stop. Okay. Scroll down, go to storage, clear cache, and then clear data. All right. Clear all data right here. Confirm. And then once done, go ahead and find your default browser. Okay. So if you have multiple browsers, go ahead and find those. And then what you'll do is basically, for example, I have here Brave. Tap and hold on to it. Now tap on the information icon. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, go ahead and scroll down and go to storage again. Now clear the cache as well as the data. Okay? Clear all data. Okay? Once that's done, if you have another browser, for example, Chrome, do the same exact thing. Force stop. Okay. Now go to storage, clear cache, and clear data. Clear data right here, click on OK. And finally, you can now then go ahead and open up FC Mobile and just continue with the login process. This time, continue using the other EA account. All right, and that is how you change an EA account in FC Mobile. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.